We are so thankful that you all are here to celebrate this beautiful day with Morgan and Matt.
I love both of you deeply, and I'm greatly excited for this big adventure you guys are stepping into.
They balance one another. They respect one another, and they truly enjoy being around one another.
And Morgan, love you, you already know that. But Matt, I am honored to have you as a son-in-law.
I love you. You ready?
Ready?
Ready to go see all our friends and family?
Yes.
I love you. Okay.
Matt, I don't think I could dream up a better match for my best friend.
No matter what it is, what she's doing, who she's around, she will be 100% her. She is genuine, she is caring, she is loving.
Matt's the best brother and best friend anyone could ever ask for. Morgan, on behalf of all the Amrine siblings, family, and friends, we are happy and proud to call you our new sister.
They make a great couple, and I'm so thankful they found each other. My family is now bigger and better because Matt and the Amrines are part of it.
And that's all anybody can hope for, is to find that person that fills in the blank and somebody that makes you a better person as a whole.
So, with that, I love you both so much. Congratulations to the bride and groom.
Matthew, when I look back on the last 5 years, I'm grateful for the memories.
Before long, you became my best friend and would never look back. As we've grown together, you've amazed me in many ways.
Through the ups and the downs, you made me feel loved and prioritized no matter what was going on around us.
You pushed me to be the best man I can be in all areas of my life, from my faith to career to personal growth.
I'm so blessed to say that I'm completely in love with my best friend. And today, my best friend becomes my husband.
Even though I often struggle to make decisions, I've never had to question or rethink my decision to want to spend my whole life with you. I vow to always be there for you, encouraging, supporting, and trusting in you.
I promise that I will not take our marriage for granted. I will love you through the joy and the pain, strength and exhaustion, excitement and doubt, and I'm committed to our marriage.
The last 5 years have flown by, and I cannot wait to see what God's plan is for our future.
We were running through the fields, you had flowers in your hand. We were all chasing phantoms. Maybe you would hold them still and I'd grab on. Yeah, well, if you're scared of the dark, let the rundown street lights be your stars. And then picture swings in the park, and I'll swing with you. Sing it with me. Sing it like ooh, if you want to. The next time I turn around, you'll have grown into a woman in a single bound. I hope I never take you for granted. Spending time with you is all that I wanted. But I'll go back to when you were small, burning all our favorite records on the CD-ROM. We were splitting headphones in a hammock to a soundtrack we could get lost.